Good evening. This video is a demonstration of how to use WorshipTrac. I know most of you have already been using it for some time, so this gives me also an opportunity to see it from the user side instead of just from the administrator side. So I have the invites for Frederick Bear, who is our gopher, going to my email. You may have them going to your phone. If you have them going to one and you want it to go to the other, just shoot me a text or an email. So we'll click on the invite. It says you've been scheduled for the following service, Sunday, September 22nd, and gives the theme and it gives the role that I'll be fulfilling, which is just gopher. So we'll click to confirm. That'll open a new page, and it says you've been scheduled, and you can yes, no, or maybe. I would honestly prefer that you just either yes or no, just so I know if you're like, look, I have surgery scheduled that day, I can't be there. Hey, no problem. But the sooner you let me know, the sooner I can schedule someone else to take your place. So, will you be there? Yes. Memo optional. I don't have anything to add. Submit. Okay, and then it shows me the outline for the service. So for some of you, who are fulfilling like Hannah is playing piano for this service, and so it shows her doing the offertory, and it shows other people doing things. Now with Gopher, it's just kind of a catch-all, show up and do what is necessary. I apologize for the little mouth sounds you might pick up on the microphone. I'm working on it. So anyway, this shows us everything about that service. So it looks like we could also change the status. Here's a chat thing where you can actually, where we could chat back and forth, but it doesn't do notifications, so I don't know how terribly useful it is. Here are downloads. I'll be honest, I don't know what this does. It doesn't look like it does anything. Okay, so if we click back here and go to My Profile and Schedule, so far I think this is the only the only service it has us down for. For Edit My Availability, here's where you can edit dates that you're just not going to be available. Hey, my wife's having a baby. Hey, we're going on vacation. So I'm not going to be there. And so now if I try to schedule Freddie Bear for this date, he doesn't even show up as a possible invitee. So I'm looking to see if there is upcoming worship services. And so it looks like Freddie Bear is only invited to participate in this one particular one. And so if you click on Edit My Profile, you should see all of the services that you have been invited to. I know it would be super handy to have this in some sort of a, like a Gmail shared calendar you could subscribe to that would kind of give you reminders a week ahead of time, so that if you hadn't been practicing, you could be practicing if that's necessary for your task. But at this time, that isn't possible. So that's it. That's how to use WorshipTrac. That's how to respond to invitations, and that's how to set your availability, and that's how to accept and decline and to see your upcoming services. Thanks.